You guys, we're in the big truck. Tow truck. Oh wait, let me shoot you that out. Yeah, I don't think you can see it. Tow truck though. Pretty nice. Anyways, just a quick update, so. Man, yeah. Thanks for watching though. See you guys.